Hey there! In just 3 minutes, I'm going to teach you the basics of CSS, the language that makes websites great. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's how we style HTML, colors, fonts, layout, spacing, everything that makes your website beautiful, and make it look great for the users. So, to make this super easy to follow, I'm going to divide the explanation into 4 parts. Ready? Let's jump into part 1, which is the 3 ways to use CSS. There are 3 ways to use CSS in your code: inline, internal, and external. First, inline CSS. This is when you write the style directly in the tag using the style attribute. For example, h1 style equals color, blue, hello/h1. It's quick, but not recommended for big projects. Second, internal CSS. You write it inside a style tag in the HTML head section, like this. Style, h1 color, blue, /style. This is great for small pages or demos. Third, external CSS. You create a separate .css file and link it in your HTML with a link tag, like this. Link rel equals style sheet, ref equals style.css. This is the best method for big websites, clean and easy to manage. Now for the second part, the basic CSS syntax and selectors. Let's look at CSS syntax. It has 3 parts: selector, property, and value. Example: P, color blue, font size 50px. This will style all paragraph tags. You can also use classes with a dot like .box and IDs with a hash like hashtag header. Now for the third part, the styling text and layout. Now let's talk about how to use classes in CSS, one of the most important tools for styling your website. In your HTML, you add that class to an element using the class attribute like you see. A class lets you apply the same style to many elements. You create a class in CSS using a dot, like this. You can reuse the same class on multiple elements. This helps keep your code clean and organized. Instead of repeating styles, you just give the same class to anything you want to style the same way. Remember, class names can be anything. Just avoid spaces and special symbols. Use hyphens if needed, like main title or footer box. And finally, how to make your website responsive on all screen sizes. To make your website look good on phones and tablets, use media queries. Example: at media, max width 600px, body, font size 14px. This makes the text smaller on small screens. CSS helps your site look great everywhere. When we finish typing the code and we refresh, we test it by adjusting and smalling the screen like you see. Keep practicing, and you'll master CSS in no time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.